Hello there and welcome back to Travelcations. Today, we're diving into the heart of Pakistan, exploring the must-visit places in the captivating city of Lahore. Lahore, the heart of Punjab, is the second largest city in Pakistan and the provincial capital of Punjab. Lahore is known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and delicious food. In this video, we will uncover the secrets of this cultural gem, where every corner tells a story and every moment is a celebration of life. Lahore, Pakistan, where the past meets the present and every visit becomes a journey of a lifetime. But before diving into the heart of Pakistan, if you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button? And don't forget to like and share with your fellow travelers. Welcome to the Badshahi Mosque, a majestic masterpiece in the heart of Lahore, Pakistan. The Badshahi Mosque is one of the largest and most beautiful mosques in the world, built during the Mughal era by Emperor Aurangzeb in the 17th century. It stands proudly against the Lahore skyline, a symbol of the city's rich history and architectural splendor. It is a beautiful mosque with red sandstone walls and white marble floors. The mosque can accommodate up to 100,000 worshippers. The Badshahi Mosque isn't just a place of worship. It's a testament to the artistic brilliance of the Mughal era. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a photography lover, or simply seeking a tranquil space, the Badshahi Mosque invites you to immerse yourself in its beauty and soak in the tranquility of this architectural marvel. Welcome to the Lahore Fort, a historic treasure nestled in the heart of Lahore, Pakistan. This impressive fort, also known as Shahi Qilla, is a symbol of the city's rich past and the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. Built over 4 centuries ago, the Lahore Fort has witnessed the ebb and flow of history, standing as a silent guardian of time. As you enter the fort, you'll be captivated by its massive walls and majestic gates. The architecture reflects a blend of Mughal, Persian, and Hindu styles, showcasing the diversity of influences that shaped this iconic structure. Minar-e-Pakistan, a towering symbol of Pakistan's independence located in Lahore. This iconic monument stands proudly in Iqbal Park, commemorating the historic Lahore Resolution passed on March 23, 1940, which paved the way for the creation of Pakistan. The base of Minar-e-Pakistan houses a unique museum that narrates the events leading to the creation of Pakistan. Visitors can climb to the top of the minaret for a panoramic view of Lahore, a city that played a crucial role in the birth of Pakistan. Welcome to Wazeer Mosque, a breathtaking jewel nestled in the heart of Lahore. Built during the 17th century, this historic mosque is a splendid example of Mughal architecture, reflecting the artistic brilliance of that era. Mosque, named after its founder, Nawab Wazeer Khan, is renowned for its stunning tile work and vibrant colors. As you step into the courtyard, you'll be greeted by the hand-painted tiles depict geometric patterns, floral motifs, and verses from the Quran, creating a mesmerizing visual experience. Delhi Gate is one of the 13 gates that once provided access to the walled city of Lahore. As you approach the gate, you'll be struck by its impressive architecture, featuring a blend of Mughal and Persian styles. The gate serves as a tangible link to Lahore's past, offering a glimpse into the grandeur of the Mughal Empire. Lahore Museum is home to a diverse collection of artifacts, from ancient civilizations to more recent historical periods. As you explore its halls, you'll encounter everything from archaeological finds and exquisite jewelry to intricate textiles and impressive artworks. Hiran Minar, a unique and picturesque site located in Sheikhupura, near Lahore. Hiran Minar, which translates to Deer Tower, is a historic monument that stands as a testament to the Mughal era's architectural splendor. The main feature of Hiran Minar is a tall tower with a distinctive design, adorned with stone elephant tusks. The tower was built by Emperor Jahangir in the early 17th century as a memorial for his beloved pet deer, Minsraj. The surrounding complex includes a large water tank, providing a serene backdrop to the tower. Welcome to the Kartarpur Corridor, a bridge of peace and unity between India and Pakistan. This corridor is a historic passage that connects the Sikh shrines of Guru Nanak Sahib in India and Gurdwara Darbar Sahib Kartarpur in Pakistan. The Kartarpur Corridor holds immense significance for the Sikh community as it provides pilgrims from India direct access to the final resting place of Guru Nanak Dev Ji, the founder of Sikhism, in Kartarpur. The corridor was inaugurated in 2019 and serves as a symbol of goodwill and religious harmony. Lahore is not just a city, it's an experience. Whether you're exploring the ancient streets of the walled city, marveling at the Badshahi Mosque, or savoring local delicacies, Lahore invites you to immerse yourself in its vibrant tapestry and discover the unique blend of tradition and modernity. And there you have it. Each destination has its own charm, making Lahore a diverse and captivating destination. Start planning your trip and get ready to create memories that will last a lifetime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel destinations.